Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Cell Phones and Accessories. We are uploading cell phones and accessories related goods frequently. In this video you will find WeBoost Home MultiRoom is a cell phone signal booster that has been approved by the FCC and is made in the United States. It boosts 4G LTE and 5G for all US networks and carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and others. This video will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. Technical details: product dimensions 6.5 by 4.25 by 1.25 inches. Item weight 6 pounds. ASIN B081BM99M9. Item model number 472120. First available November 12, 2019. Manufacturer Wilson Electronics. Country of origin USA.